oh, we are very keen on supporting projects that have a positive impact on society, economy and technology. And working with ABB on energy management systems struck us as an exciting opportunity due to its necessity and also its underpinning requirements for reducing our carbon footprint through smart systems.
So this collaboration involved 10 cross-functional workshops across 5 months, where we worked with over 25 stakeholders to leverage ABB's internal capability and link it to strategic goals and define tangible, realistic steps towards better energy management systems offerings. In between the workshops, delegates worked offline to develop ideas so that the workshops could really focus on constructive discussions and challenging the thinking rather than creating the initial content from scratch. Throughout the entire project, we worked very closely with the excellent ABB core team in order to align and adapt our approach to the exact requirements.
Be open and flexible. And be open means include in the journey partners like you that from day zero challenged what we did. And so openly even said what we did right, what we had to improve, and define something that is flexible in order to adapt to the unexpected. Acceleration, for example, that we can see from the market, new technologies that now we consider niche or too far, and that maybe they can accelerate and they can become an urgency. We are a big tech company, so speed usually is not the key quality for a company like ABB, but on the contrary, quality and reliability and be the right partner is the one.
The concrete outputs are the insights that you've developed that will feed directly into your technology strategy, and more specifically, you've identified the R&D projects and actions that can now be either scoped or are currently underway, and all of them can be linked back through the value propositions to the market pull, to the customer needs and anticipated future trends. And as ABB is openly talking about this project, we hope that other organisations will also realise the potential of using road mapping to strategise about energy management solutions and develop a sustainable strategy for a digital, sustainable world.
Well, actually here we have various projects to open up. For example, if we speak about energy data analytics, we notice that one key feature is to forecast future energy use based on historical data disaggregated among consumption load and generation sources installed on a site to detect, of course, also anomalies. Or, for example, even aggregate data from different sites to get energy profiles correlation and to benchmark site performances is a key feature. If we talk instead about optimizing energy planning, we notice that suggest and act the best energy efficiency strategy and setup, even including DER, to achieve low emission and reduce emission and cost-saving targets allocate among different loads by dynamic tariff. Or even control power flows, like for example sharing power peaks by load shifting strategies to enable participants to an ancillary service market is a key and fundamental for the energy sector.
Other two relevant features that have popped up from our road mapping activity have been, well, one, data integration. One of the main market trends that is very relevant in the next future is the possibility for an energy management system to integrate own data with external databases with other and massive product brands. Enable this ingestion of data from different branded devices, from different databases, is what will ensure the user experience to be unique on the energy management, and all of this will be kept by high-level standard of cybersecurity, of course. Another important feature is about having advisory databases, so not only integrate such databases, but also create a list of recommendations which will enable a best use of energy, a best use of the different assets for energy performance indicator KPIs in order to reduce operational costs, so OPEX saving, but also to reduce, as Michela said, as much as possible the gas emission footprint.
Well, now it comes down to making it all reality. I mean, building a strategy is critical, but the real impact is generated by real actions, not theories on paper or on screens. So now the ball is in ABB's court to turn these strategies around, and we'll be on ABB's side to support where we can. There'll be iterations in strategy, new projects that have to be worked on, and it's going to be a long journey, but a fruitful one. ABB has been a great partner in this project, and we are very much looking forward to supporting you on your journey forward.
Thank you, Andy Clements, for your support in this project. It was a great journey with you, and we also hope to continue to collaborate with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.